欢迎各位乘坐98游香港 HK2 天际漫游，我们将一同游览香港2座标志性大桥，昂船洲大桥和青马大桥。回程时，我们可以看到旧油麻地警署的历史建筑和感受果然的地道文化。为了阁下安全，请谨记在旅程中不要把手或物件伸出车外，巴士行走时也请不要在上层站立。现在，请各位享受沿路的风景，听住我们的介绍，一同来一趟天际漫游吧。Welcome aboard KMB2 Hong Kong Route HK2 Skywalk. Join us as we journey across 2 Hong Kong's iconic bridges, the Stonecutters Bridge and Tsing Ma Bridge. On the return trip, we can admire the historic buildings of former Yau Ma Tei Police Station and experience the authentic local culture of wholesale fruit market. For safety reasons, please do not lean out or extend items outside the bus, and remember to stay seated while the bus is in motion. Without further ado, please sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful scenic view while we guide you through this breathtaking bridge adventure in the sky. 歡迎各位乘搭98遊香港 HK2 天際漫遊，同我哋一齊遊覽香港2座標誌性嘅大橋，昂船洲大橋同青馬大橋。回程時，我哋可以睇到舊油麻地警署嘅歷史建築，同感受果欄嘅地道文化。為咗閣下嘅安全，請緊記沿途，唔好將手或物件伸出車外。行車時亦切勿喺上層站立。而家就請各位享受沿路風景，聽住我哋嘅介紹，一齊喺大橋上漫遊天際啦！下一站是西隧轉車站，雅想道。The next stop is Western Harbour Tunnel Bus Interchange, Na Cheng Road. 下一站係西隧轉車站，雅長道。要體驗香港中西共融的文化氣息，一定要到西九文化區逛逛，裡面的 M+ 和香港故宮文化博物館分別展出世界各地藝術品和故宮典藏。If you want to experience the cultural fusion of East and West in Hong Kong, you must visit the West Kowloon Cultural District. Inside, M+ showcases artworks from around the world, while the Hong Kong Palace Museum exhibits treasures from the Forbidden City. 想體驗香港中西共融文化氣息，一定要去西九文化區。入面嘅 M+ 同香港故宮文化博物館分別展出世界各地嘅藝術品同故宮典藏。下一站是柯士甸道戲曲中心。The next stop is Austin Road 戲曲 Center。下一站係柯士甸道戲曲中心。穿過隧道以後，在巴士的右邊就是戲曲中心。它以傳統中國彩燈位概念，流線外形與半開放的中庭空間體現器的概念，展現戲曲副時代感的新形象。您可以在這裡欣賞到大江南北的頂級戲曲演出。As we pass through the tunnel, you'll see the Xi Center on the right-hand side of the bus. Its striking design reflects the evolving nature of the art of Chinese opera. Here, audiences can enjoy high-quality, traditional, and contemporary performances. 穿過隧道，喺巴士嘅右手邊就係戲曲中心啦。佢以傳統中國彩燈為概念， 流線外形同半開放嘅中庭空間體現戲嘅概念，展現戲曲富時代感嘅新形象。你可以喺呢度欣賞到大江南北嘅頂級戲曲演出。下一站是廣東道港威酒店。The next stop is Canton Road, Gateway Hotel, Hong Kong。下一站係廣東道廣威酒店。說到尖沙咀，除了維多利亞港，廣東道也是其中一個一定要去的景點。這裡雲集了世界各地的名店，還有藥妝、知名手機品牌的旗艦店等等，讓您可以盡情享受瘋狂購物的樂趣。When it comes to Tsim Sha Tsui, besides Victoria Harbour, Canton Road is also a must-visit spot. It's home to renowned international luxury brands, popular beauty and health shops, and the flagship store of major mobile phone retailer, perfect for indulging in a shopping spree. 講到尖沙咀，除咗維多利亞港，廣東道亦都係其中一個必到嘅地方。呢度雲集咗嚟自世界各地嘅名店，仲有藥妝、知名手機品牌嘅旗艦店等等，等你可以盡情享受瘋狂購物嘅樂趣。下一站是廣東道北京道。The next stop is Canton Road, Peking Road。下一站係廣東道北京道。在這個站旁邊的1881，前身是1884年落成的前水警總部、金活化後及名店、高級餐廳和古蹟精品酒店於一身，旁邊亦有尖沙咀碼頭、鐘樓等尖沙咀必到景點。您亦可以與國際聞名的維多利亞港打卡，欣賞迷人夜景。Right next to this stop is 1881 Heritage, formerly the Marine Police Headquarters, built in 1884. After revitalization, it now houses luxury boutiques, fine dining restaurants, and a heritage boutique hotel. Nearby, you'll also find must-visit Tsim Sha Tsui landmarks like the Star Ferry Pier and the Clock Tower. Don't miss the chance to snap a photo with the world-famous Victoria Harbour and take in its stunning night views. 喺巴士站隔離嘅1881，前身係1884年落成嘅前水警總部，經活化後集名店、高級餐廳同古蹟精品酒店於一身，旁邊亦有尖沙咀碼頭、鐘樓等尖沙咀必到景點。您亦可以同國際聞名嘅維多利亞港打卡，欣賞迷人夜景。下一站是中港城戲曲中心。The next stop is China Hong Kong City 戲曲 Center。下一站係中港城戲曲中心。中港城於1988年落成，其獨特的金色幕牆更曾經錄入吉尼斯世界紀錄。裡面的中國客運碼頭提供往返香港和廣東省以及澳門的跨境渡輪服務。距離中港城大概5分鐘的步程，就是位於西九文化區的戲曲中心。建築物以傳統中國彩燈位概念，流線外形與半開放的中庭空間體現器的概念，展現戲曲副時代感的新形象。您可以在這裡欣賞到大江南北的頂級戲曲演出。 Established in 1988, China Hong Kong City once held a Guinness World Record with its unique golden curtain wall. The China Ferry Terminal provides cross-border ferry services from Hong Kong to cities in Guangdong and Macau. With just a 5-minute walk, you can reach Jiqu Center in the West Kowloon Cultural District. Its striking design reflects the evolving nature of the art of Chinese opera. Here, audiences can enjoy high-quality traditional and contemporary performances. 1988年落成嘅中港城，憑住獨特嘅金色幕牆，一度榮登健力士世界紀錄。入面嘅中國客運碼頭提供往返香港同廣東省及澳門嘅跨境渡輪服務，距離中港城大約5分鐘嘅步程，就係位於西九文化區嘅戲曲中心。建築物以傳統中國彩燈為概念，你可以喺呢度欣賞到大江南北嘅頂級戲曲演出。
下一站是佐敦道高铁站。The next stop is Jordan Road High-Speed Rail Station.
下一站係佐敦道高鐵站。高鐵西九龍站是世界最大型地下鐵路站，設計採用大型玻璃幕牆和流線型天幕。在車站天台的天空走廊是打卡的其中一個好去處。在高鐵西九龍站對面的文華新村，又稱為八文樓，因為昔日的接引法，各座大樓的高層部分都用了退台的設計。The high-speed rail West Kowloon Station is the world's largest underground railway station, featuring expansive glass curtain walls and a sleek, streamlined roof design. It also has the Sky Corridor that is a popular spot for photography and sightseeing. Located opposite the high-speed rail West Kowloon Station, Manhua Sun Chuan is a residential complex made up of 8 buildings with a nickname 8-man buildings. Due to the regulation of right of light back then, the upper floors of the towers were designed with a slant top setback. 高鐵西九龍站係世界最大型地下鐵路站，採用大型玻璃幕牆同流線型天幕嘅設計，仲有個打卡一流嘅天際走廊。喺高鐵西九龍站對面嘅文華新村又稱為八文樓，因為昔日嘅街影法，各座大樓高層部分都有獨特嘅退台設計。下一站是渡船街，油麻地警署。The next stop is Ferry Street, Yau Ma Tei Police Station. 下一站係渡船街，油麻地警署。再次歡迎各位乘坐98遊香港 HK2 天際漫遊。現在我們將離開九龍，走上快速公路，朝着香港2座標誌性大橋昂船洲大橋和青馬大橋出發。為了閣下安全，請謹記在旅程中不要把手或物件伸出車外，巴士行走時也請不要在上層站立。現在請各位享受沿路的風景，聽住我們的介紹，一同來一趟天際漫遊吧。Welcome again to our KMB Tour Hong Kong Route HK2 Skywalk. We are now heading onto the highway, leaving Kowloon behind as we set out towards 2 of Hong Kong's most iconic bridges, the Stonecutters Bridge and the Tsing Ma Bridge. For safety reasons, please do not lean out or extend items outside the bus, and remember to stay seated while the bus is in motion. Without further ado, please sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful scenic view while we guide you through this breathtaking bridge adventure in the sky. 上次歡迎各位乘搭九巴遊香港 HK2 天際漫遊，而家我哋就會駛上公路，離開九龍，向住香港兩座標誌性嘅大橋昂船洲大橋同青馬大橋出發。為咗閣下嘅安全，請緊記沿途唔好將手或物件伸出車外，行車時亦切勿喺上層站立。而家就請各位享受沿路風景，聽住我哋嘅介紹，一齊喺大橋上漫遊天際啦！踏上快速公路後，巴士將先後經過兩座大橋，當中昂船洲大橋主跨1018米，是世上其中一條大跨度的雙塔斜拉橋。它連接昂船洲和青衣島，跨越蘭巴勒海峽。乘客在大橋上可以一遍飽覽香港島和貨櫃碼頭等景色。After entering the expressway, the bus will then pass us over two major bridges. One of them is the Stonecutters Bridge, which has a main span of 1,018 meters, making it one of the world's longest span double-tower cable-stayed bridges. It connects Stonecutters Island and Tsing Island, stretching across the Rambler Channel. From the bridge, passengers can enjoy sweeping views of Hong Kong Island and the bustling container terminals all at once. 駛上快速公路之後，巴士會先後經過兩座大橋，其中昂船洲大橋主跨1018米，係世上其中一條大跨度嘅雙塔斜拉橋。佢連接住昂船洲同埋青衣島，跨越蘭巴勒海峽，乘客可以喺大橋一次過飽覽香港島同埋貨櫃碼頭等景色。登上昂船洲大橋後，您可以在巴士的右方，從大橋高處俯瞰葵青貨櫃碼頭。它於1970年代建成，貨櫃吞吐量曾經是全球之冠，每天24小時運作，每年可處理逾2000萬個標準貨櫃，見證香港作為轉口港的興盛時期。Once we ascend the Stonecutters Bridge, look to the right side of the bus. From this elevated vantage point, you can enjoy a panoramic view of the Kwai Tsing container terminals. Built in the 1970s, the terminals once held the title of the world's busiest container port. Operating 24 hours a day, they are capable of handling over 20 million 20-foot equivalent units annually, standing as a testament to Hong Kong's golden era as a major entrepôt. 喺昂船洲大橋上，你可以望向巴士嘅右手邊，由高處俯瞰葵青貨櫃碼頭。佢喺1970年代建成，貨櫃吞吐量曾經係全球之冠，每日24小時運作，每年可以處理超過2000萬個標準貨櫃，見證香港作為轉口港嘅興盛時期。穿過南灣隧道後，巴士即將進入青馬大橋。這個香港著名地標在90年代末落成，是因為機場搬遷而興建的其中一個基建，也是遊客從機場到港往返市區的必經道路。大橋全長2160米，是全球跨度最長的行車鐵路雙用懸索吊橋之一，連同新機場榮獲20世紀10大建築成就獎。 Passing through the Nam Wan Tunnel, the bus will head onto the Tsing Ma Bridge. This iconic Hong Kong landmark was completed in the late 1990s as part of the infrastructure developed for the airport relocation. It serves as a vital link between the city and the airport for travelers. Spanning 2,160 meters, it is one of the world's longest suspension bridges that accommodates both road and rail traffic. Along with the new airport, it was honored as one of top 10 construction achievements of the 20th century. 經過南灣隧道之後，巴士就會駛上青馬大橋。呢座香港著名嘅地標喺90年代尾落成，係因為機場搬遷而興建嘅其中一個基建，亦都係遊客從機場抵港往返市區嘅必經道路。大橋全長2160米，係全球跨度最長嘅行車鐵路商用懸索吊橋之一，連同新機場榮獲20世紀10大建築成就獎。馬灣是往日海上絲路的其中一個重要地點。1868年，清朝政府在這裡設立海關，抽取鴉片貿易稅收，打擊走私活動，同時保護邊防。馬灣逐漸成為一條小漁村，盛產蝦膏。到90年代初，因為新機場工程，居民逐漸遷往現在的馬灣新村，舊村活化成現在的馬灣1868，一個集保育、文創、旅遊及藝術零售的度假景區。Ma Wan was once an important hub along the ancient maritime Silk Road. In 1868, the Qing government established a customs post there to collect opium trade taxes, combat smuggling, and safeguard the coastal border. Later, Ma Wan evolved into a small fishing village known for producing shrimp paste. In the early 1990s, due to the new airport development, residents gradually relocated to the present-day Ma Wan New Village. The original village was revitalized into Ma Wan 1868, a cultural and tourism destination that blends heritage conservation, creative industries, travel experiences, and art retail. 馬灣係往日海上絲路其中一個重要地點。1868年，清朝政府喺呢度設立海關，抽取鴉片貿易稅收，打擊走私活動，同時保護邊防。及後馬灣成為一條小漁村，盛產蝦膏。到90年代初，因為新機場工程，居民逐漸遷往而家嘅馬灣新村，舊村就活化成而家嘅馬灣1868，一個集保育、文創、旅遊及藝術零售嘅度假景區。在返程前往尖沙咀的中途，您可以在左前方看見全長 1.177 公里、世界第一條三塔式斜拉索橋汀九橋。落成後為新界西北的元朗、屯門等地提供更直接前往機場和香港島以及九龍市區的選擇。晚上的汀九橋更有射燈照亮橋身和橋塔，成為不少攝影愛好者的拍攝對象。On our return journey to Tsim Sha Tsui, you'll see the Ting Khao Bridge ahead on the left. Stretching 1.177 kilometers, it is the world's first three-tower cable-stayed bridge. Since its completion, it has provided the Northwest New Territories such as Yuen Long and Tuen Mun with a more direct connection to the airport and urban Kowloon and Hong Kong Island. At night, the bridge and its towers are illuminated by spotlights, making it a favorite subject for many photography enthusiasts. 回程返去尖沙咀嘅途中，你可以喺左前方見到全長 1.177 公里，世界第一條三塔式斜拉索橋汀九橋。佢落成後，為新界西北嘅元朗、屯門等地方提供更直接前往機場同港九市區嘅選擇。入黑後嘅汀九橋更會有射燈照亮橋身同橋塔，成為唔少攝影發燒友嘅拍攝對象。我們現在身處的青衣島是香港的第5大島，除了是一個大型住宅區之外，這裡也是重工業集中地，設有水泥廠、船務以及油庫等設施。關於青衣的地名由來有不同說法，有人說是因為附近海域盛產青衣魚，也有人說是因為島的形狀像青衣魚。而我們依會橫跨的蘭巴勒海峽，名字是源自19世紀英國海軍的炮艦蘭巴勒號，這裡也是本地市民欣賞日落的熱門地點。We are now on Qing, Hong Kong's fifth largest island. Other than being a major residential area, it is also a hub for heavy industry, with facilities such as cement plants, shipyards, and oil depots. The origin of the name Qingyi has various explanations. Some believe it comes from the abundance of black spot tuskfish, with the Cantonese name of Qingyi, found in nearby waters, while others suggest the island's shape resembles the fish itself. In a moment, we will be crossing the Rambler Channel, which is said to have been named after the British naval gun vessel HMS Rambler in the 19th century. Here is also a popular spot among locals for watching the sunset. 我哋而家所在嘅青衣島係香港第5大島，除咗係大型住宅區，仲係一個重工業集中地，有水泥廠、船澳、油庫等設施。青衣地名由來眾說紛紜，有人話係因為附近有好多青衣魚，亦有指係島嘅形狀似青衣魚。而一陣會橫跨嘅蘭巴勒海峽，相傳名稱嚟自19世紀英軍炮艦蘭巴勒號。呢度亦係本地市民睇日落嘅好去處。九巴是香港最歷史悠久的專營巴士公司，在1933年取得經營九龍及新界巴士服務的專利權，從最開出大約10多條路線，發展到現在連同服務新界及機場的龍運巴士，一共運營超過480條路線，網絡覆蓋全港18區，規模是全港最大。成立以來，九巴一直堅持創新，創下多個第一，包括全球第一輛試驗成功的雙層空調巴士，全球第一輛超低地台雙層3軸巴士，全港第一輛純電動巴士等。當巴士經過美孚時，您可以看到一座大牆外有着九巴傳統標誌中9字的大廈，這裡正是我們整個九巴的核心所在。KMB is Hong Kong's oldest franchise bus company with a rich history, having obtained the franchise to operate bus services in Kowloon and the New Territories in 1933. From its modest beginnings, with just over a dozen routes, KMB has grown together with Longwind Bus, serving the New Territories and the airport, to operate more than 480 routes, covering all 18 districts of Hong Kong. It is now the largest bus network in the city. Since its establishment, KMB has been committed to innovation, achieving many global and local firsts. The world's first successfully trialed air-conditioned double-decker bus, the world's first super low-floor 3-axle double-decker bus, and Hong Kong's first fully electric bus. As the bus passes through Mei Fu, you'll notice a building with a large Chinese 9 character, the traditional symbol of KMB, on its exterior wall. This marks the very heart of our company. 九巴係香港最歷史悠久嘅專營巴士公司，喺1933年取得經營九龍及新界巴士服務嘅專利權，由最初大約10幾條路線發展至今，連同服務新界及機場嘅龍運巴士，一共營運超過480條路線，網絡覆蓋全港18區，規模係全港最大。成立以嚟，九巴一直堅持創新，創下多個第一，包括全球第一架試驗成功嘅雙層空調巴士，全球第一架超低地台雙層三軸巴士，全港第一架純電動巴士等等。當巴士經過美孚嘅時候，你會睇到一座大牆，外面有九巴傳統標誌中九字嘅大廈，呢度正正就係我哋九巴嘅核心所在。西九龙走廊在80年代末分阶段落成通车，联系油麻地和西九龙走廊在80年代末分阶段落成通车，联系油麻地和荔枝角。在行车天桥上，周边的景色由西九龙填海区的开阳景观渐渐变位在大角咀和旺角的旧式大厦间穿梭，在短时间内让您看到香港不同的一面。The West Kowloon Corridor was completed in phases beginning in the late 1980s, linking Yau Ma Tei with Lai Chi Kok. As the bus travels along the elevated roadway, the scenery shifts from the open views of the West Kowloon reclamation area to weaving between the older buildings of Tai Kok Tsui and Mong Kok. In just a short time, you experience a very different side of Hong Kong. 西九龍走廊喺80年代尾分階段落成通車，連繫油麻地同荔枝角。喺行車天橋上，周邊嘅景色由西九龍填海區嘅開揚景觀，逐漸變成喺大角咀同旺角嘅舊式大廈間穿梭。短時間內，等你睇到香港唔同嘅一面。請調校八達通。下一站是渡船街，油麻地警署。The next stop is Ferry Street, Yau Ma Tei Police Station. 下一站係渡船街，油麻地警署。从巴士站往后方走，您就会来到有过100年历史的旧油麻地警署，让您感受爱德华时代建筑风格，而且是香港现存少数战前警署建筑之一，并于2009年评为2级历史建筑。Walking backwards from the bus stop, you may reach the century-old former Yau Ma Tei Police Station. It is an Edwardian architecture, which is also one of the few remaining pre-war police station buildings in Hong Kong, and was rated Grade 2 Historic Building in 2009. 由巴士站向後行，就可以到達有過百年歷史嘅舊油麻地警署，讓你感受愛德華時代嘅建築風格，而且係香港現存少數戰前警署建築之一，並喺2009年獲評為2級歷史建築。
下一站是佐敦道高铁站。The next stop is Jordan Road High-Speed Rail Station.
下一站係佐敦道高鐵站。高鐵西九龍站是世界最大型地下鐵路站，設計採用大型玻璃幕牆和流線型天幕。在車站天台的天空走廊是打卡的其中一個好去處。在高鐵西九龍站對面的文華新村又稱為八文樓，因為昔日的接引法，各座大樓的高層部分都用了退台的設計。The high-speed rail West Kowloon Station is the world's largest underground railway station, featuring expansive glass curtain walls and a sleek, streamlined roof design. It also has the Sky Corridor that is a popular spot for photography and sightseeing. Located opposite the high-speed rail West Kowloon Station, Manhwa Sun Chuen is a residential complex made up of 8 buildings with a nickname 8-man buildings. Due to the regulation of right of light back then, the upper floors of the towers were designed with a slant top setback. 高鐵西九龍站係世界最大型地下鐵路站，採用大型玻璃幕牆同流線型天幕嘅設計，仲有個打卡一流嘅天際走廊。喺高鐵西九龍站對面嘅文華新村又稱為八文樓，因為昔日嘅街影法，各座大樓高層部分都有獨特嘅退台設計。下一站是九龍站。The next stop is Kowloon Station. 下一站係九龍站。我們即將回到我們的終點站九龍站，在這上面就是天際100，它位於全香港最高的大廈環球貿易廣場的第100層，讓您360度欣賞整個九龍、香港島北岸以及維多利亞港的景色。We are heading back to the bus terminus, Kowloon Station. Above it stands Sky 100, located on the 100th floor of the International Commerce Center, the tallest building in Hong Kong. It offers you a full 360-degree and an unobstructed view of the entire Kowloon, north shore of Hong Kong Island and the Victoria Harbour. 返到嚟我哋嘅總站九龍站，呢度上面有天際100，佢坐落於全香港最高嘅大廈環球貿易廣場，等你360度欣賞成個九龍、香港島北岸以及維多利亞港嘅景色。謝謝各位乘搭98遊香港 HK2 天際漫遊，下車前請謹記帶走您的行李，祝您有個愉快的晚上。Thank you for traveling on KMB Tour Hong Kong Route HK2 Skywalk. Remember to take all your personal belongings with you when alighting. Enjoy the rest of your night. 多謝你乘搭九巴遊香港 HK2 天際漫遊。喺落車之前，記得帶齊你嘅物品啦。祝你有愉快嘅一晚。